If you are planning to sell your house, this information may be useful for you. Although sellers have very limited obligations, but the provincial laws require them to disclose certain information that may affect peaceful use of the property by the new owners. There are two distinct categories of defects called latent defects and patent defects. Latent defects are the issues with the house that are difficult to find even by a professional, whereas patent defects are easily visible to the buyers or home inspectors. Since patent defects are easily detectable, it is not seller's responsibility to disclose it to the potential customers. Some examples are crack in a foundation wall, missing safety railings, stains that indicate a roof leak, or a broken glass panel. Since the defects are visible to the naked eye, it becomes the responsibility of the buyer to do their due diligence, ask specific questions, or have the home inspected if necessary. Patent defects, on the other side, are not readily apparent, may be difficult to find even by an expert. Some examples are a serious structural issue, flooding in the basement, a concealed fire damage, or molds. If a seller knows about a defect like this, they must disclose it to the potential customer, especially if the defect renders the property unsafe and unfit for habitation. For further information or any query about buying and selling process, call or text me at 647-512-2302.